Hello and welcome back to AI and the Genealogist, tips on using ChatGPT. I'm Coach Carole and I want to share with you some more of my recent finds in some of the plugins that I can use in ChatGPT-4. You will need to subscribe in order to have GPT-4, which of course is the most recent version and one that has higher capacity than 3.5. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and take you across to ChatGPT. And one of the latest plugins that I had been exploring is the one that enables it to use a link reader, which enables ChatGPT, in the wrong place, to look at a particular link that you've given it, whether it be a PDF or a website. In this case, it's a website or a web page, and it can highlight what it reads from that page. I thought it'd be interesting to have a look at a particular article that I recently saw in the Family Tree magazine, which lists the genealogy mystery fiction books that are available. And I wanted a list of all of those. I'm a very keen reader of genealogical murder mystery books. So what it did for me is exactly that. Gave me the list of highlighted books from that page with the name of the book and the author, all neatly organized into categories such as fictional genealogy mysteries, historical true crime murder mysteries, fictional family sagas, and a note at the bottom that this list is not exhaustive and there may have been more on the page. But it was a very long article and I could neatly summarize it here with this particular plugin. So how do you get that plugin? Let's create a new chat and I'll show you the process. I need to select GPT-4. I need to have the plugins already available. And I then need to select the plugin that I want to use. So at the moment, I've just enabled 4 of these: Ask Your PDF, Link Reader, Show Me, and Video Insights. Now you can have all of them switched on, but depends on what you want to do. In this case, I just wanted the Link Reader, which you can see here on the left-hand side, reads the content of all kinds of links like web page, PDF, PowerPoint, image, Word, and other docs. So I was keen to investigate that one. So that's what I've switched on, and now we'll give it another prompt to work with. And I have a website that I want to get it to summarize. In this case, I was very interested in one of the books from one of my favorite authors of genealogical murder mysteries, and she is Mary Jones. And the book that I saw in the list from the other site was called 3 Times Removed. So I want it now, that is ChatGPT, to summarize the content of that page. I'm just shifting things around here. Grab the URL of that and come back here and place that underneath and see what it can do with that. So it's now switching on the link reader and then reading the content of that page. And now it's telling me that this page is dedicated to the book titled 3 Times Removed by Mary Jones, and a little bit about the story. And the narrative is supernatural mystery set in and around those parts of South Wales that I can't always pronounce. And I think you'll be interested in this book as I was. So being able to have that little summary from a web page is a really useful thing to have ChatGPT do for you. So have a go at that. activate one of your plugins, Link Reader. And I'll be back later with more tips on how you can use the latest features of ChatGPT 4.